Priestley's Gourmet Delights manufactures and sell happiness in the form of cake. We make 134 products in our custom-built facility out at Acacia Ridge and manufacture 270,000 units per week. We sell to over 27,000 cafes, pubs, restaurants and clubs. If you've got a sweet tooth, you've likely eaten us before. So the Domino's Lava, if you've had one of those bad boys, that's us. The vanilla slice at Bunnings, that's also a Priestley's product. And a citrus tart at the Coffee Club, that is a Priestley's product as well. We are very much the brand behind the brand, but we have big ambitions to change that. We are creators at heart, so innovation is key to our business success. And when we talk automation, people often assume that robots have replaced jobs. In our case though, we're very unique. We've actually increased our headcount by 28 to help support. So instead of having to hand stack a pallet, we now have robots for that. Instead of loading and unloading racks, we now have robots for that. So think about automation in the way of improving employee experience versus taking away jobs. I'm proud to say that all of our products are still hand finished with love by our employees. The Beater's Future Food Initiative really helped with networking and getting our brand out there, but also from an innovation perspective, really making sure that we understood that consumers had to be front of mind. The advantages of doing business in Brisbane is that brand Brisbane's really grown up with brand Priestley's. So there's bold ambitions for Brisbane, there's bold ambitions for Priestley's. I'm really passionate about working in the Brisbane economy because there's huge job growth here, especially in the manufacturing sector. And I sit on the Queensland Manufacturing Advisory Council for the Queensland Government. And I'm very passionate about that because I think that manufacturing has a brand that needs to be changed. And the fact that manufacturing is currently contributing $15 billion to the Brisbane economy. So what's next for Priestley's? World domination. We want to bring a slice of Brisbane to the rest of the world, one piece of cake at a time. So that literally means growth ambitions in Australia and then also in the export markets. Brisbane's food and beverage exports are forecasted to grow by 43% by 2031, and we're super excited to be part of that growth.